Hello everybody, welcome to MachineStation. My name is George Rivera and today we're going to be looking at the AKIRA SEIKI PERFORMA V4A-XP. This machine is right here at our California branch. It comes with a Mitsubishi M64S control with the 9-inch LCD color display. It also comes with an 8-inch 4th axis rotary on the table. Your X and Y axis are linear guideways, but a boxway construction on your Z axis for more rigid cutting for that 10,000 RPM spindle. It also comes with a PCMCIA card slot, RS-232 port. You've got your books and manuals. The machine also has a rigid tapping and a 24 count automatic tool changer. For full specifications, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the description below so we can go ahead and check out this machine. Well, there you have it, the AKIRA SEIKI PERFORMA V4A-XP. For any further questions at all, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600, or you can jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us, or you can email us at sales@machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time.